Enabling voice chat in Roblox is a cinch. Here's how to do it. 1. Check system requirements. Before diving in, make sure your device meets Roblox's system requirements for voice chat. You'll need a device with a microphone and speakers, and it should meet the minimum specifications outlined by Roblox. 2. Enable voice chat in settings. Once you're logged into Roblox, head to the settings menu. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the privacy tab. 3. Adjust privacy settings. Under the privacy tab, you will see various options related to communication. To enable voice chat, make sure that the "Who can chat with me in game" setting is set to either everyone or friends. Additionally, ensure that the voice chat option is toggled on. 4. Test your settings. Before jumping into a game, it's a good idea to test your voice chat settings. Roblox provides a built-in feature to test your microphone and speakers. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the lower right corner of the screen, then selecting Settings and navigating to the Audio tab. Here, you can test your microphone and speakers to ensure they are working properly. 5. Join a game. Once you've adjusted your settings, join a game that supports voice chat. Not all games on Roblox have voice chat enabled, so make sure to choose one that does. Once you're in the game, you should be able to communicate with other players using voice chat. 6. Communicate accessibly. Remember to communicate respectfully and responsibly while using voice chat in Roblox. Follow the community guidelines and treat others with kindness and respect. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, you can report it to Roblox moderators. And that's it. With voice chat enabled, you can enjoy even more immersive gameplay experiences with friends and other players in Roblox. So hop into a game, chat away, and have a blast.